Hello everyone, we made origamis and we are going to do a play. I'm a little fairy. Hello, I'm a whale. I live in a cave. I am just going to go out to eat some breakfast. Yum, 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 yum. That was a yummy breakfast. Now I will go to bed because I'm going to nap. I nap early. Bye. Do I do something else? Go get something. Use the fish. I'm a little fish. I hear a fish. I smell it eating. That was a yummy lunch. Now let me go off to play with my friends. Hello, Whale. How are you doing? I'm having fun. Hello, sea lion. Do you want to go swimming? Yeah. Whee! What's this hole doing here? We should go under there and see what it is. Okay. Shh. Oh, it's a fairy. We don't want to wake her up. What if she can turn us into a frog? Let's go now. Let's nap. I'm a bird. Oh, birdie. I'm a penguin that lives in a hot place. I live in Florida. Birdie! I'm flying. Yum, 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 yum. This is gonna be great. I wanna catch that bird. Hello, I'm a panda that lives underwater. I don't live underwater. I'm just here to go swimming. I'm gonna go scuba diving. Look at this cave. Phew, that was a close one. They almost ate me. I'm a kitty cat. I'm playing my house. It is so fun. I should go outside and find some fish.
Ho, I'm a pirate. No one escapes from me. My boat is sinking. I'm a dead pirate. Ooh, I'm a ghost pirate.
Oh, look. Hey, do you want to... Oh, no. I think he's going to eat me. Hey, pirate, do you want to help me eat the sea lion? I'm hungry. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. He has no backbones now. I need to go to the dentist.
cute baby.
I love my mommy. Splash! I'm gonna eat you.
Oh no.